Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you all for joining. It's your boy, HRT. Today's Friday. Should be a very chill day as always. We're going to start right off the bat. Alright, we're going to start right off the bat. I'm going to explain my strategy in a little bit. But for now, I'm seeing a lot of our setup coming up very soon. As you can see, we have a break here. We got a break on this VWAP for Snow. We got a break on this VWAP for Tesla. We even got a break on Coin and as well as Apple. So we have, the chart look all the same on all of them. Take a look at this here. Right? Look at this, right? Whichever of these two give us a retest is the one we're going to enter. We got Snow on the bottom is looking to retest the VWAP. And then we got Coin on top looking to retest. Okay, we're going to be watching all of them. Whichever gives us the retest. Right now is, I don't know which is going to give us the retest, but that's the one we're going to enter. Looks like it's going to be Snow more likely. We got Coin up here. Tesla's all the way down. So let me go ahead and just prepare Snow just in case Snow gives us the retest first. Be very watchful for me, okay? Whichever one comes back to that orange line is the one we're going to be entering. All right, come on. Oh, it could be Coin now. Could be Coin. Which is going to give us the retest here. Coin needs to go through here in order to even try to give us a retest. Needs to break here. This was once, oh, look at that. It immediately rejected before I even got closer to the VWAP. So we do have to wait patiently. All right. We have to wait very patiently. And that's it. Beautiful pickup here on Coin. Looking to pass over here. And that's great. Let's go. Let's get anywhere here. And I'm going to start to place put. All right. So it looks like Coin has taken over for the odds of getting our retest. So I'm going to switch over. I'm going to get prepared. I'm going to prepare Coin put here. I'm going to prepare Coin put. Could I take the put right now? Based on just use this wick? Nah, I'd rather just get it to the view up. And then take it there. Here we go. It needs to, pass here. Oh, nice. Buyers are really pushing into the view up right now. They really are. Should we take the put right now? Nah. We want to put on the view up. That's what we need right now. Anywhere here, we'll take the put. I'm really willing to add one put here, to be honest. It's looking good so far. All eyes on Coin right now. We're about to place a put on Coin. I repeat, we're just needing a little bit more push. Can I still take the put right now? I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to take one in right now. It's a little too soon. I'm not going to lie. It's very too soon. And this position can go against me a bit more before we start to see profits. This is out the money, so less expensive, but we'll see if we're going to get a W here. All right, I'm adding in as we're getting closer and closer to the VWAP. Like right now, we got extremely close to the VWAP. We're really pushing it. I'm going to buy one more here again. We're instantly down. Just the fact of buying it's kind of weird, isn't it? It is. Here we go. I'm adding to my put slowly here. That's what I'm doing. I'm adding to my put slowly. But I'd like to get in around here. Sure. Yeah, that's the ideally. Ideally, that's what you want to do. That's the ideal, I'm comfortable getting in right here. A little bit. So I got in a little bit. Beautiful. 20%. We'll take it. We'll take the 20%. We will take the 20%. Of course. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what the heck? One hand took two out. I kind of told a little too soon. But we'll go ahead and take it, guys. We'll take it. Easy trade today, guys. Easy trade. I'm not sure why my screen was kind of going all over the place here. This is a fun trade. Very simple trade. You know what I'm saying? We had a nice, beautiful trade. I scaled out pretty fast. So you guys noticed that. Let's go back to, let's take a look at here real quick and let's see our P&L. Let's take a look at P&L. Ooh. Let's go. $123 we made on this trade. You know what that means? That means we're not going to trade anymore. We're done for the day. I'm not trading anymore. I just, literally, right now, we just made $123. Just like that. Just sitting here for the small amount of minutes that I started this is our first trade we got in. And we just made that money, just like that. And I actually sold it early. So this was a really nice trade. I'm not gonna lie. 20% we have to scale up. Come on, guys. Don't be greedy, right? We did very well. We did very, 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 very well. I was a bit surprised that we passed through here, right? I was a bit surprised that we passed through here. I wasn't expecting for us to go here, but then I knew that this is also the next major resistance. I'm like, yeah, probably sellers may step in here. So let me at least get in a little bit. Let me get some equity in. You know what I'm saying? I wish I didn't sold me. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. Whew. Of course, we take our money. 20%, bro, we're gonna take it. We're gonna get a little bit off. Yeah, this is a beautiful trade. Certainly this trade could have been tremendous amount of money for sure, you know, but we're very grateful. Great job, HRT, on taking this opportunity. Yeah, and this is our setup. This is our setup, guys, right? This is our setup. We had a break, we had a close, we had this retest here that we needed to enter, and we got it, right? Just like that, all right? Here's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go through my strategy for you guys. I'm not taking a trade anymore, and I'm gonna go through my strategy very well, and I'm gonna also update my strategy, right? I'm gonna update my strategy. So let's go here. Let's look at Tesla, for example, with our strategy. I'm gonna explain what my strategy for you guys and the update that I'm doing. All right, let me just go back to some random days, from 5 days or some. Yeah, just scroll through 5 days. All right, here we go. Here's the strategy. The strategy is this: we have a break, a close, and a retest. Right? Right here is a break. Here's a close. And here's that first retest. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it, okay? And I'm gonna tell you something real quick. All right. Cool. We have a break on the VWAP, right? This candle broke the VWAP. And then we have a close on that direction of that break. A full 5-minute close in that direction of that break. And then we're gonna wait for that retest. Come back to the VWAP. And he came back to the VWAP. Do you see that? Okay. And once you enter this retest, boom. All right. Here's the update that I'm doing. I plan to get rid of the close. If I get rid of the close, is it more profitable? Right? My strategy will just be what? A break, a retest. That's it. For example, this is a break, the VWAP, and this is the immediate retest to the VWAP. And bam, quick reaction. You know what I'm saying? I have found time to time that maybe I can just get rid of this break and just like go right in. As soon as the break happens and he opens the direction of that break, just get in as long as it's close to the VWAP. I find that to be profitable, actually, like extremely profitable. If sometimes, bro, the break would happen and then I would wait for this to close, and this is like already all the way goes down. Or the break would be above and then retest right away comes and it already moves up really fast. I'm like, what? So there's that happens oftentimes. I'm missing opportunities. So I'm like thinking to myself, you know what? Maybe it's better I get rid of the what? The close. Now, what's the risk of doing that? The risk of doing that is that as soon as it goes here, it comes right back up. Now, that is a risk, of course, and that's one of the reasons why I had to have a close first, right? But that's not a strong risk. Number one, I've seen multiple time that it usually just goes in that direction of that break. Whenever a break happens, it just goes and continues moving in that direction. I've noticed that more often happening than actually right away. Number two, even with my strategy, right? We have a break, a close, and I wait for the retest. Guess what? I do face that same risk rate also moves up. So that's what I plan on what? Changing. We got A, B, C. C is the retest. Now we're saying to ourselves, we're going to just get rid of B. So we're going to have A, break, and then right away, C, just retest. We enter. All right? Cool. Now let's move to another day. Just watch very carefully, okay? All right, here we go. So take a look at this, right? We have a break. We have a break, right? All right, cool. We're gonna wait for the retest immediately. Boom, we enter right here, right away. Boom, just like that. Would go up instantly. You know? But our old strategy is what? We have a break on the view up. We have to wait for this 5 minute to close and we enter this one. Ta-da! We make really nice money. But guess what though? We have this candle that went all the way up right away that that essentially we did not take. Right? We have this break right here, and then it probably opened up here and it went all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have this break here again, and then this instant retest to the VWAP after that break of the VWAP. You would enter here. You would instantly make quick money, just like that. And then we'll retrace to the VWAP. Of course, the position is still valid. It's fine, as long as it's not going, at least here. This is the candle I would use for a stop loss. This would be my risk, actually. This little gap that you guys see right here is my risk. And this would be a great successful trade. Right? Let's take a look here. Take a look at this. I have a break and right away retest. But of course, this is way too early. This is like the opening. You don't want to get into the opening. At least wait for 30 minutes after the opening to do a trade. Okay, here's an example, by the way. Take a look at this, all right? We have a break on the downside. And then you would instantly trade on the downside, but yet this position went against you. So this is that risk we're talking about. So you probably would have your stop loss maybe here. And you'll be taken out, of course. And then instantly, after this break happens, you would enter this on the put side. But of course, it'll go against you. It'll hit your stop loss probably right here. Ideally, you'll get out very quickly. Minimum loss, right? And then guess what? We have this break again. And you'll enter this retest right away. And you get your money back in more. Right? Probably this would be your stop loss probably right here. Quick. Keep a tight stop loss. All right, cool. Here's the break on the downside. And then bam, you enter here. This would probably be your stop loss right here. And you will make bang. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this here. Oh, that's the I was about to say this is the break, but this is just the 20 EMA. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark this real quick. Hope you guys are following me, okay? Okay. This right here, you will take an L. You had a break, you'll enter immediately for a put. This retest right here. And then it'll get a push up. And then it'll probably hit your stop, not probably, it will hit your stop loss. You would get out of the position. And now, because this one now broke above the VWAP, now you're gonna wait for the next candle to retest to the VWAP after that break. This retest comes in, you would enter long this time. And then guess what, guys? You get your money back and you will make money. You will make that funny money. I repeat, that funny money is right here. Bam! Immediate bank right away when you get into that retest. You get your money back. All right, cool. Here's a break in the downside. Right after that, here's a break. Candles opens here and moves up a little bit. You would enter this retest ASAP. You'd have your stop loss probably here. This right here, this wick right here. This wick right here. You guys see this right here? This is a good break stop loss. The candle will go against you a little bit here, comes to your stop sign, comes your stop loss very close. You can add near your stop loss, it's fine. More position to it. And then bang! You will bank really fast. And all the way here. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, and that's what I plan on doing. I plan on making this change to my strategy. I'm now getting rid of that additional filter. I'm getting rid of the close. I don't think I need to wait for a close. Right? I have a break. I got the immediate retest. In the direction of that break, I enter. I make money. Just like that. All right, here we go. Take a look at this, right? We have a break and we have an immediate retest to that break. You would enter. You make money real quick, very fast. That's what I like, right? You'll make money right here, real fast. oops, sorry here. We have this break right here. We have this immediate retest. Bam! You'll make bank. Yeah, the movie will continue to be in your favor until right here. Of course, this is the first the first low right here is right here. So you'll definitely sell off a little bit, especially this candle right here. You know what I mean? You'll make money on this trade. You'll make really nice money on this trade. Take a look this here. You have a break on the downside. You'll immediately enter this retest right here on the put side, and then bam, it'll go against you. You need to get out really fast. By the way, another reason you want to get out is two reasons. Either it hit your stop loss, or B, you had a break. So if I'm in this position, right? If I did a put and went against me about like right here, and the next candle opened here, I would get out really fast. Right? Because now this is considered a break on the upside. I would get out of the position really fast and switch it to the other side. Bam, I'll immediately make a switch to the call side. And I'll bank. I will bank. Right? And this is if you take a look at this here, you have a break, you have a close, this is that retest. So this right here strategy is technically would be my old strategy, right? And that's one of the reasons I do that. So ain't that interesting? You have a break, you have a close, you didn't risk it, but then you got a retest. This is the one we would enter, and then bam, we'll make money. But I said to myself, nah, I'm good. I'd rather just, enter the retest right away. And in this case, this is a break on the downside, right? A break on the downside. And it will take an L, of course, and come back against it. It'll immediately cut our loss. But that's a very small L, and we'll immediately get in, and then bam, we'll bank. We will bank, right? It's a bank. So you guys got the strategy, right? I don't think I want to bore you guys with more of these examples. But that's it. That's it. So right now, Tesla's experiencing a break. Look at that. You'll do this break, right? You'll get in right away. You'll get in right away. Right away, you'll get in. Right? And let's take a look at for others. This is live right now. We're not taking any more trades. So, by the way, I just like to keep saying that. So we had this break right here, and I think we entered around here, didn't we? Yeah, I think it was around. I don't even remember anymore, bro. I think it was this candle we entered. I don't know. But yeah, we made some money here. That's nice. So take a look at this here. You have this break right here. You would immediately enter right here. For sure. And then you'll bank really nicely. Like really gorgeously. You know? Yeah, it's really nice. By the way, this is that full retest right here. Right? You have a break, you have a close, and you have the retest to the VWAP. But my retest to the VWAP, but this is the retest after the close. But I said to myself, no more. I'm just gonna do a break, and right away I'll enter as the retest. Right away. The candle that would have been a close, I would consider that a retest. So that's that. Okay, the downside of the previous strategy before this update is that after a break happens, I would have to wait for a close. Yeah. Right? And sometimes the move can like make multiple attempts near the VWAP, and then it'll come in. So by the time it comes to VWAP, it's already powered already. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather get in right away with that reaction. Like as soon as a break happens, because this is a very psychological level, right? This is like the average fair value price. And if the price is below that, it's like, oh my gosh, people get scared. And the price is above that, it's like, oh my gosh, I want to buy more. So there's that psychological immediate reaction that occurs right after a break on either direction. So I want to get in on that right away, right? A break happens on the upside, and an immediate return to that VWAP after the break on the upside, people will be willing to buy in like really fast. The FOMOs will get in on the up to buy more, because that's a very nice price level, a psychological and as well as a very, you know what I mean? Like imagine you wanted to buy the MacBook, right? But it's above the VWAP. It's above fair value. For whatever the reason, something happened with the store, the economy, whatever, and suddenly the MacBooks dropped in value. Like, bam. You would have a quick reaction. Oh my God, it's only $300. I'm going to buy it. That's assuming nothing changed with technology of it. It's just external factors that just simply made the price go down. You would have an instant reaction to buy that. Like you want to get it because you always wanted to get it anyway. But now the very thing that was holding you back, which was too expensive, is suddenly dropped. Bam, you'd buy right away, right? And the next day, let's say it went back in value, back up above the VWAP, you probably will look to sell. You know what I'm saying? So it's a very immediate reaction that this gives you when the price, breaks above or below the VWAP. And so I want to get in at that. And that's the benefit of this update. We have a break, and immediately right now, after that break, when the price opened in the direction of that break, I would enter. Put in this case, bam, your boy will bank. And the other strategy is what? Is a break. Okay, I'm going to allow for a 5-minute to close, cool off the reaction a little bit, let the reaction cool off, people start to buy up, and then I finally then get into it on a put, which is nothing wrong with it. Sometimes I do risk that cool off. Once that cool off, then the price can come back up. All right, take a look at Apple right now, right? We had this break and you would instantly enter this retest. ASAP. You'd have probably your stop loss here or above there here. That's it. I would say right here. The view up is right here, so I wouldn't probably do it right here. I probably would do it either here, you know what I'm saying, like right here, or even like right here. To be honest, up top of this one right here, the first high of the day, of the open, right? Yeah, that'll probably be my stop loss. I'll get in right here. Bam, I'm getting on the VWAP, this retest. I'll get in more as we get closer to my stop loss. And then you would bank really, really fast. All right? But with the strategy that we had previously would be what? A break, we have to allow this to close, and then we would enter here. But guess what, though? We almost missed this trade. It opened here and immediately dumped. So we would have probably got in here. So this has to require a quick decision. Like, you would have to, be ready, because as soon as you open, it just dumped. So look at that. So ideally, I want to get in right here, right after bat. As soon as a candle like this broke the VWAP, broke the psychological level, broke the fair value, bam, I would enter puts right away on that retest. So there we go. All right, guys, with that all said, I hope that you found this beneficial. Please go ahead and put in the comment, all right? Put in the comment. Let me know what you think of this update to my strategy. Let me know what you think, all right? All right, cool. HRT out.